diagnostic procedure for male infertility. History of the patient for other systemic disease like celiac disease, cystic fibrosis, moreover, drug addiction, smoking habit, and alcoholic drinks. History of hypertension, diabetes has to be considered for the risk factor in this disease, that is the infertility in men. History of exposure to radiation, radiotherapy, chemotherapy, other organic diseases of the lungs, liver, any traumatic physical injury to the genital areas, these has to be examined and asked from the patient. Next is the physical examination, which is done by the healthcare provider to inspect the penis, its normal structure, length, any laceration, scar formation, penile urethra structure in gonorrhea. This has to be examined by the doctor. In addition, the size and the structure of the testicles by palpation to exclude the undescended testes. Also, epididymoarchitis, there is swelling of the testicles. So these has to be excluded by the examination, physical examination by the healthcare provider. Next is the any abnormality or pathology in scrotal area, especially the varicose vein. If there is varicocele, that is the main cause for infertility in men. Now the lab examination, semen analysis is done by taking specimen after masturbation or during intercourse by the special condoms. The specimen is sent to the laboratory for examination of the semen for the morphology, count, motility of the sperm cells. From here, we can estimate the extent of infertility in the patient. First specimen is taken immediately in the clinic. Second specimen is taken after 1 week. And third specimen should be taken after 3 months treatment for infertility of the patient. Other method of examination is ultrasonography, external, by means of which we study the vascular supply, varicose vein, any swelling, any stricture, any obstruction in the pathway of the semen convoy, the ducts, seminiferous ducts, and the ejaculatory duct, vas deferens, all this tract which convey the semen from the testicle into the penile urethra. So this tract is studied by the ultrasonography imaging. Next method is the transrectal ultrasonography, or we can say internal ultrasonography method. In this, we also examine the other factors of the pathology in the pelvic cavity organs like colorectal carcinoma, prostatic carcinoma, bladder carcinoma, chronic inflammatory diseases in the pelvic cavity. So these can be easily visualized by the imaging of the sound waves. So these are the various methods by which we adopt to evaluate the extent of the infertility or the in the men.